How are human activities affecting species niches in India's diverse habitats? A. No impact. B. Mostly preservation. A. Human activities are significantly altering species niches in India's diverse habitats. Explanation. India's diverse habitats are facing immense pressure from human activities. These activities, including deforestation, urbanization, agriculture, pollution, air, water, noise, light, climate change, driven by human actions, overexploitation of resources, overfishing, poaching, and the introduction of invasive species, directly impact species niches. Niches encompass a species' role and requirements within its environment, its food sources, habitat, interactions with other species, and its contribution to the ecosystem. Human actions alter these factors in myriad ways. Habitat loss and fragmentation, deforestation and urbanization shrink and isolate habitats, reducing the available resources and making species more vulnerable. Resource depletion, overfishing depletes fish stocks, altering predator-prey relationships and affecting the niches of both predators and prey. Similarly, poaching reduces populations, potentially destabilizing ecosystems. Pollution, pollutants contaminate air, water, and soil, harming or killing species directly or indirectly by reducing the availability of resources or increasing disease. This directly affects a species' ability to survive and reproduce within its habitat. Climate change, shifting temperatures and precipitation patterns are altering habitats, making them unsuitable for some species, while simultaneously allowing others to expand their range, thus altering niche dynamics. Invasive species, the introduction of non-native species often outcompetes native species for resources, changing their available niche space or even leading to local extinction. These changes force species to adapt, migrate, or face extinction. It's a complex interplay of factors showing a clear negative effect on the niches of many species. Why other options are unsuitable? No impact. This is demonstrably false, given the extensive evidence of human impact on biodiversity and ecosystems globally, including in India. Mostly preservation. This is also incorrect. While there are conservation efforts in India, the scale of human-induced environmental changes significantly outweighs any preservation efforts. Preservation initiatives are largely reactive and often struggle to keep pace with the rapid pace of habitat destruction and pollution.